Understanding the basics of copy a file in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used computer-related phrase, copy a file. Whether you're new to computers or brushing up on your English tech vocabulary, this video will help you understand what it means to copy a file and how it's used in everyday computing. When we say, copy a file, we are talking about making an exact duplicate of digital data from one location to another. It's like photocopying a document, but instead of paper, it's done electronically with files on a computer. This function is essential for creating backups, sharing information, and organizing documents. Copying a file is a simple process. Here's how you can do it. 1. Find the file you want to copy. 2. Right-click on the file to open a menu. 3. Select Copy from the menu. 4. Navigate to the location where you want the copy to be. 5. Right-click again and select Paste. Your file will now be copied to the new location, and you'll have 2 copies of the same file. There are several reasons why you might need to copy a file. To create a backup in case the original is lost. To use the same data in a different project or application. To share a document with someone without giving them the original. Here are some quick tips for copying files efficiently. Make sure you have permission to copy the file if it's not yours. Use keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste on Windows, or Command+C and Command+V on Mac. Always verify that the copy is complete and works correctly before deleting the original. Copying a file is a fundamental skill in the digital world, and it's easy to learn. We hope this video has clarified what it means to copy a file and how you can do it. Happy computing, and see you in our next video.